Welcome to the job posting tutorial for companies on TaleGlobal. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete process of creating and publishing a job posting. Before we begin, please note that if your recruitment process includes an assessment, you must create it before starting the job posting process. Assessments cannot be created while posting a job. If you leave the job posting page midway, any information entered during the job creation process may be lost and you will need to start over again. To begin, open your dashboard and select Post Job from the side menu. Select the job title and job category from the available options. If you do not find a suitable job title in the drop-down list, simply select Others and enter a custom title manually. Next, select the preferred languages required for the role. Choose the appropriate work mode such as on-site, remote, or hybrid. Then, select the transportation options provided for employees if applicable. Now choose the job type followed by the work shift and job location. Once the basic job details are completed, proceed to the compensation section. Enter the annual CTC for the position. Based on the annual CTC entered, the net monthly pay will be calculated automatically by our system. If required, you can manually edit the monthly pay value. Next, enter the number of vacancies available for the position. Then specify the application limit. Please note that the application limit cannot be lower than the number of vacancies. The system automatically calculates a suitable application limit, but you may increase it if you wish to accept more applications per vacancy. Now move to the candidate eligibility section. Select the required educational qualification for the role. Specify whether academic backlogs are allowed or not. Next, choose the specialized stream or field of study required from candidates. Then add the required skills for the position. You can either select skills from the drop-down list or add custom skills based on your hiring requirements. Now select the preferred experience level. You can choose fresher, experienced, or both depending on the role requirements. If experience is required, enter the minimum and maximum years of experience expected from candidates. Finally, enter a detailed job description outlining the position and its expectations. Then add the roles and responsibilities candidates will be expected to perform if selected. Once all the information has been entered and reviewed, click on Continue to Interview Process. Your job posting information will now be saved successfully. In the next step, you can configure and set up your interview process before publishing the job. Thank you for watching.